Gravy is bad. That gravy's nice. Not gonna lie.
What's going on, guys? It's your girl Miss Hannah Lee, and welcome to our new series, Rate My Munch, where we bring together different groups of people to dish up their best take on a cuisine. This series is all about my Jamaicans. Each home chef has made 3 dishes for the other chefs. Dishes will be rated on taste, authenticity, and presentation out of 10. The person with the highest score wins. But the best chef gets to win this trophy. There's gonna be nothing but brutal honesty around here, guys. So with that being said, let the rating begin.
Ooh, okay. Oh, that smells nice. That smells really good. Yeah, chicken look charred a little bit. It's really nice.
We have jerk chicken here. Smells quite nice. I'll give it that. Presentation is quite cute, I must say. Little drizzle. Could have cleaned up the plate just a little bit, but that's right. We won't say anything bad about that. Right. Hang on.
First thoughts. So I prefer like basmati rice, but I know obviously you can use this rice. So first fix I'm a bit like, that's not basmati, but that's just me. Yeah, chicken smells good. I can see a couple hairs though.
I don't want to be a pain, but I found something again, and I'm just going to start crying. Right now. I'm going to throw the plate, but it's okay. Could be a bit of debris. I found one more hair. But it's not like hair this time. It looks like an eyelash or a piece of something from your clothes. But I don't really appreciate it on my plate. But we move.
So first thought, yeah, singe your chicken beforehand, and it was on the barbecue and there's still some there, so that's a bit disappointing. But with that being said, I have a bit of a story time for you all. So, rice and peas, making this today for this episode, I nearly lost an eye. Do you know why? Because I decided to be authentic and use coconut. So I'm going with the coconut, the thing not flingy in my eye. Is my left eye not blurry?
What happened?
Anyways, I ain't trying to go A&E, but you know, if you are using raw coconut for your rice and peas, watch your eye in it.
Aroma, it smells good. Chicken itself, ooh, spicy, shit. Okay, chicken itself, it's quite tasty. The sauce is spicy, quite nice to be honest.
Yeah, this is good. So as soon as you taste it, it's sweet, but then you get a bit of a kick. Really, really nice. I think they definitely put this on a barbecue or whatever because you can taste a smoky flavour, which is really nice, and it doesn't taste like packet or tin jerk season or anything, so you can tell they made this from scratch. I can tell they've added possibly like honey or something just to keep the glaze on the chicken. But overall it tastes nice besides the little hiccups with the hairs then.
The only thing is, I must say, I love basmati rice. This, not basmati.
I really need rice for this. So I'm gonna try the rice and peas now. It can eat. Some bits are a little bit like, let me try again, hold on. Some bits are a little bit hard. The flavour is almost there.
Rice overall isn't too bad. I think that sauce is quite nice. I can taste sweet chilli in it. Yeah, I can taste it. Chicken, not bad. Not bad at all. I will rate this very spicy.
Yeah, the flavours are almost there. The peas taste nice, like the rice tastes nice, but it's just some bits are really hard. So I shouldn't have to be crunching. Yeah, so that's, getting a point deduction. But overall presentation is nice. Would I see this on the roadside in Jamaica? Simply because this wet rub thing, to be fair, you wouldn't really see it there. Which I know we kind of adapted to our own kind of things here in Britain, but in yard it would literally be like scrape off all of this, it'll be like that, to be fair. With that being said, I will give presentation, should I excuse the hairs? No, I can't, because I was just liberties. But presentation, I'll give this, I don't know, should I include the hairs in the presentation? Presentation, I'll give this a 7.
I think presentation wise, it looked better before I cut into it. So we'll give it 6.5 maybe for presentation.
In terms of authenticity, Lord Jesus, the hairs, I'll give this like a 6 because that was just liberties, that was rude. If the hairs weren't there and stuff and the flavour everything, I would have given it higher, but you can't be feeding people hairy chicken. So no. Rice and peas as well, hard bits, that's a problem for me. So that's why it's getting a 6. That's me being very nice.
Authenticity, I will give the, what are we going with? I would give it a 7. Flavours wise, I can just taste a lot of heat. Let me just taste a piece of chicken again so I can just see. You know, as it goes, it's not that bad. It's not that bad. It's quite nice. A little bit chewy, but yeah, it's quite nice. Okay, flavours, it's not bad. Nice jerk flavours I can taste in there. Tastes a lot of heat though. The rice, like I said, I've had obviously better rice and peas, but it's not bad for now. Flavour, obviously I can taste jerk, but I can taste a lot of heat, so I don't know what it's given. So I'll give it 6.5, but the sauce is nice, I must say. The sauce is nice.
Where do I begin? So, considering that I have rice, hard rice still in my teeth, trying to find its way out, this is definitely going to be a 4. I'm giving this a 4, and I'm not trying to be rude because I know this person took a lot of time and effort to make this, but from when there's chicken hairs, the chicken's been on the barbecue, so let me know why the hairs didn't singe off at all. So I'm going to give this a 4 because you can't be giving me hard rice and chicken hairs and a long hair, whatever the hell that was. I don't know what that is. But yeah, this is a 4.
Yeah, you'd find something similar to this in Jamaica. Yeah.
I think what makes a good jerk chicken is obviously having like the chicken on the barbecue. So if you haven't got like a jerk pan or anything like that, put some pimento in it and then let it smoke up into the chicken, which they've done, which is obviously really, really good. Obviously they put little slits so you can tell the seasoning's gone right down to the bone as well, and they've chopped it, which is really nice. In a nice way, and you've got to keep the skin on. You've got to keep the skin on so it gets the flavour underneath, and on top it gives that nice flavour. What makes a good rice and peas? Well, first of all, soft rice. That would be a good start. Soft rice. These kind of peas or gunga peas, yeah. Obviously you can see they've got some onions in here, so you've got to make sure you have onions, coconut milk. You can either use normal coconut milk in the tin, or you can be extra like me and then lose your eye and use an actual coconut. But yeah, all in all, it can eat.
It's a good jerk chicken and rice and peas. First of all, don't play yourself using any other rice, other than basmati rice, because you're just messing up your whole dish. And I think the coconut that goes into it is very serious. The seasonings that you put into your rice is very serious, and the peas that you use is serious. Obviously, sometimes when you're doing a little quick tea, you can use kidney beans, so I don't mind that. But yeah, I do love gunga peas in my rice and peas though. Yeah, so the rice and peas, I think it's the seasoning and the rice you use. Good jerk chicken, I think it's all in the marinade. And yeah, you have to be careful that you don't make it too spicy and then you don't end up tasting like the flavours, or you can taste the spice. But overall, it's quite nice, quite nice. Pleasant.
Kind of like a little, you know, little Gordon Ramsay, little splash right there on here.
So we have jerk chicken. Let's taste the sauce. Smells jerkish. A little bit cold. No, I'm not mad about this. This is quite good.
Smells good.
Coleslaw's quite nice, but it's sweet.
Yeah, I like this one. This is very nice.
Flavours. I'm quite liking it. I'm just gonna have a little taste all in one go. The jerk is actually quite nice. Yeah, I like the jerk. I like the seasoning. I like the flavours. Nice little kick to it.
Obviously I can tell that she's used a barbecue. Very nice. I like my jerk chicken a bit more spicy. Like really hot, but it's nice.
I don't mind the rice and peas. Coleslaw is quite nice, but just a little bit sweet.
Let me taste the rice. The rice piece is nice. Could have a little bit more coconut cream in there, a bit more flavour, but with the jerk chicken together, it's banging.
I would rate this 7.5, possibly 8, possibly, you know, look at the plate, very nice.
Taste, I'd give it probably 7 out of 10 as well. I just wish it was a bit more spicy.
Presentation, not bad. So they tried to do a little fancy drizzle of the barbecue, weren't too bad. The rice could have just been a bit more cuter on the plate, but other than that, it's quite nice. So I will rate it a 6 on presentation.
7 for presentation because I liked the little jazzy little thing she did with the sauce. But apart from that, it was just like a normal plated food that I'd get at home.
Authenticity. The taste, the flavours are giving, you know, what jerk's meant to give. The rice and peas, yes, not bad in terms of authenticity. Coleslaw, yeah, I don't mind it, but yeah, I'm not mad about it. But I would give authenticity, I'll give it I'm joking. I'll give it a 7.5. Yeah, I like it. I like it. The chicken authenticity though, I've scored that by itself. I think that's a good 8. So the chicken's quite nice. Wish it was a bit hotter though, but yeah, very nice.
I'd give it 7 out of 10 probably for authenticity as well. Why? Because it's got that obviously jerk. It's got that kind of barbecue taste, so that's why I would give it that out of 10. The smoky taste makes a good jerk chicken. Smoky but soft, so not smoky, crispy but soft, and a good sauce. Definitely makes a good jerk chicken. This sauce is nice. I just wish it was a bit hotter, peppery.
Smells really good. Smells very smoky.
Looks fancy.
I can see that they've slit the chicken so everything goes in. It is a bit pale for me, but they've got sauce, so let's try it. And they've used ginger peas. See guys, this is also what makes good rice and peas. These peas work, and I can see onion in there. Yeah, let me try it there. But I'm getting a lot of flavours from the chicken in terms of smell.
Okay, let's get into it. I don't really like jerk gravy, sorry, but we're gonna see if I like it today.
Let me try the rice. Now this rice is nice and shelly. Nice, see this? My immediate feeling, I don't really like it that much.
It's nice. No, I do like it. I think it needs a little bit more seasoning for me, but I can still taste a smoky element. I'm not sure if it's the sauce, but I think it's a little bit. It tastes more like a nice oven chicken, like a nice cook, like you only put in the oven, like roast chicken. That's what it tastes like, but it is very nice.
I don't know whether it's oily or what, but something's glistening.
Not 100% jerk for me, but very tasty.
To be fair, now that I've digested and it's swallowed, I swallowed it. The flavours are good. It's just the first bit in your mouth tastes a bit different. Maybe, no, it's not bad. It's not bad. It's not bad.
I'm getting barbecue, smoky, sweet vibes. It's doing a lot actually. It's very nice. It's very smoky, sweet, and soft. And yeah, I'm getting a good vibe from this.
Bumble again with the hairs though.
I don't know if I haven't tasted it like this in Jamaica, but with that being said, it's still very good. Like, I think it's more made to her preference, so not like heavy on the seasoning or anything, but to me that's what jerk is. I like a nice blackened taste, but yeah, it's very nice apart from that.
Gravy is bad. That gravy is nice. Not gonna lie. That gravy is actually really nice. Let me try it without there. No, the jerk chicken is nice. Yeah, this is nice. So, in terms of the rice and peas, it's okay. There's a flavour in there that I'm not too quite sure what it is, but I can taste the coconut, I can see the thyme. They got gunga peas in here, so they're proper being authentic. So this is rice you would see in the yard, definitely. Even though the onion is a little bit overdone. But to be fair, you would see this rice in the yard, and it is shelly, which is nice. And it's got that fat thing. I got some the bullet rice.
I'd say presentation just like 6.5. It's just the gravy's to the side in a bowl. That was special about that meal.
Presentation's lovely. To be fair, like she put the sauce on the side, which is very, very cute. I would give presentation, I'd give it a 7 as well.
I haven't tasted jerk chicken like this before. I haven't tasted jerk chicken like this before, but I'd still say it does have the main jerk flavour, so I'd say like 7.
Yeah, chicken tastes good. It's got a smoky flavour. I wish it was done a little bit. I wouldn't even say a little bit more. I don't know. There's a smokiness that's missing from this. So yeah, gravy. Lord Jesus, this gravy is so nice. Like, this gravy is lovely. It's got a sweetness. It's got a smokiness. I can taste that it's got the marinade in it. It tastes really nice. So in terms of authenticity, I'm going to give this an 8 for authenticity because this is really, really nice. Because you would see this definitely in yard.
I'd say for me personally, I'd give it a 6.5. When I like jerk, I just like more pungent flavours, much more stronger. But that's just my own personal preference. This would still be nice for someone else, but it is nice. It is still nice, but I just like mine very much more strong.
Flavour wise, I would give this a 7. I'll give this a 7. Even though I'm not too keen on this rice, but you will see that it grew on me in the end.
Guys, this was another tough episode. The scores are so close, but we can only have one winner. In third place with a score of 11.8, we have Nick's Kitchen. The scores between first and second place, guys, are so tight. There's only a 0.1 difference. But with a score of 13.9, in second place, we have Damali. That means Nia is our number 1 winner with a score of 14 out of 20. Guys, let us know in the comments down below who you thought really made the best jerk chicken.